Understanding the phrase, a sip of power. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, a sip of power. This phrase isn't just about drinking a beverage. It's a metaphor that can add flair to your English conversations. Let's dive in and understand what it truly means. A sip refers to taking a small drink of a liquid, usually done slowly and carefully. Power, on the other hand, can mean many things, but in this context, it often refers to control, authority, or strength. So, literally, a sip of power might sound like someone is drinking a liquid that gives them strength or control. However, the real beauty of this phrase lies in its metaphorical meaning. Metaphorically, a sip of power suggests a small taste or experience of having control or authority. Imagine someone who has never been in charge suddenly finding themselves in a leadership position, even if it's just for a moment. This brief experience is like taking a sip of what it feels like to have power. This phrase can be used in various contexts. For instance, if a junior employee is given a chance to lead a project, they are getting a sip of power. It's important to note that this phrase often implies the experience is temporary and not overwhelming, just like a small sip of a drink. A sip of power is a phrase that you might encounter in books, movies, or TV shows. Characters in a story might experience a sip of power when they temporarily gain control over a situation. This can lead to interesting dynamics in the storyline. We hope this video helped you understand the phrase, a sip of power. It's a beautiful example of how English uses metaphors to convey complex ideas in just a few words. Keep exploring such phrases, and you'll find your English conversations becoming more colorful and engaging. See you in our next video.